What? I still can't do this part consistently, man.
It's like still random.
Yeah, like the first few I can usually dodge. Like, if I screw up, it's because I did something that I, you know, but this one I just can't.
I'm trying to think of what to eat. Should we get hot pockets?
How about chocobo hearts? Just get both, dude.
Spicy noodle noodles.
Are you on their website? Don't you want to take joy in like my failure? Oh. Is it? Sorry. Dude, that is bullshit. That's never happened before. That's a new one. And he got in the way. Because it gets so narrow at the end that you bounce off shit so easily. Ah. What's that? I just want to learn how to do this last part. What's the pattern that works? You do some push-ups? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Perfect. How many can you do, Gene? Not a lot.
I think it's like hopping and foot. I integrate it because it's such a play to do bench presses.
It used to clock?
Yeah, I told you, you talked about this. You really, every time
You said it, but I never heard it.
you said it, you think it.
You thought it? Oh, god damn it!
Yeah.
I thought it would hit him, and he somehow dodged it.
This thing a lot of shit.
I don't give a shit.
She's our moderator.
You're the moderator.
What is that?
Huh? You're a fucking moderator. God, I've gotten worse now. This is the worst time ever. Like, it's more birds than balloons this time. How do I fucking dodge you?
We'll watch a video. It's the one that I copied from him, his strategy. That worked out well for me. Hey.
But I'm beyond your level. Damn it. It's the one that like they're all for him.
That's what pissed me off.
You can still get like ahead of them.
I know, but the thing is, if the moves were at least somewhat consistent, I would have kept playing.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I'd like to spend 2 hours on Thunderbolts to keep control of it.
That's true. That's a good point. Fuck. Oh. Alright, it's over. But you know what, dude? This is still less annoying to me than the butterflies.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, the butterflies are finishing like 30 minutes.
How long did it take me? Like an hour?
Yeah. But you did take breaks. I don't know if that would count.
I didn't take breaks with the butterflies.
Well, I mean, like you tried it before, like previously.
No, that didn't tell me anything.
And that's what I'm saying. I don't think that was.
The previous experience was I didn't systematically get. I have to do it enough to where I actually start looking at seeing patterns. I didn't see any patterns, so it didn't help me.
Wait, did anyone really come, or is he said he maybe?
I don't know. I want him to teach me how to beat this.
Oh, should I take it to round one?
We already went there with.
What?
I thought you went with him too. Didn't you? Same thing.
No, totally. You can't even try to make that transition.
Why can't I even? Why are you making it seem like I did something really bad?
It's something really bad.
Oh,
One's not even an Asian.
yeah.
And the other one's totally white.
But they don't really have anything in common, right?
Well,
It's not like they're both our friends. It's not like they're both our friends or anything.
Mark had long hair, and he'd be like all over.
That's not having something in common, Gene.
Something similar.
Not at all. Not at all. You just need to lose weight. It's all the only thing that is.
Is it really?
It's harder for you because you're already really lean. So the best way for you would be to up your volume of your training. So you're doing sets of 10, up to sets of 20 and everything.
Oh shit. And probably do it every day workouts?
Whatever it takes to get you doing more weekly volume. If you start working out every day, you can stick with sets of 10. Or alternatively, you could add in like more cardio, which you hate doing.
Oh, I guess I can do that. I do more cardio with basketball.
Yeah.
Every time I'll miss the shot, I'll run to the ball. Go jogging. It makes me sweat, like hardcore.
Shouldn't you be running the ball anyway, Gene? Isn't that what being a competitor is all about?
When you're shooting the ball or something? Oh yeah, so you're talking about practice.
Ah!
What was that? Please don't make that sound. Please don't make that sound.
In fact, I need to get out of my house.
Right, you just get out of that.
Yeah.
Take control. Today we can hear for like hours.
That's what it takes, dude. Championships aren't given, Gene, they're earned.
Are you gonna play at all? Like the movie?
If I get this, yeah.
Oh. Let me put that.
Oh!
Because I have this feeling you're not gonna do the Thunderbolt today.
The thing is that Thunderbolts would have gotten really annoying. 6 balloons, that's all I got. Shit. You're like tailor-made for him. Great, good job, dude. No room to go left. bounce off the wall.
Oh, you got lucky.
Doesn't matter. Okay, let's watch some run-throughs of this. Is that cheating?
Oh, you gotta talk to people.
Hey people, I'm cheating.
No, it's not cheating. So that he's looking up stuff on YouTube. He would do that.
No, I'm not. Almost foolproof strategy.
How is he doing it? How is he doing it?
I'm just reading.
Oh, it's on a video?
Yeah, it's game facts.
Can they accuse you?
So you actually have to get less than 0.0, you know that, right? You have to beat 0.0, you can't tie it. So what you were saying was the opposite of the truth.